Hello everyone. So today you may know to how you may came to know that how to prepare receipts and payments account with various transactions account, how it is prepared. So in the previous session we discussed receipts and payments account. It is a summary of cash and bank transactions for a year. Already we know that what is meant by receipts and payments account. It follows the real account, real account rule. In real account, the rule is debit what comes in and credit what goes out. That is the rule of receipts and payments. This account is prepared by non-trading organization, non-trader. Whereas cash book is prepared by trading organization, trader. It is same as receipts and payments account. It also follows the real account rule. Both receipts and payments account, cash account will commences with opening balance of cash and opening balance of bank, and ends with closing balance of cash, closing balance of bank. Okay, receipts are entered on debit side. Receipt should be entered in debit side. All payments should be entered in credit side. It includes all the receipts and payments of capital and revenue in nature. In receipts and payments account, we should record all types of items, whether it is revenue or capital, whatever it may be, all transactions should be recorded. Okay, preparation of receipts and payments account. See here, the pro forma of receipts and payments account. Receipts rupees, payments rupees. To balance brought down. Opening balance. Just now I said that it should commence or start with opening balances, whether it is bank balance or cash balance. Cash in hand, cash at bank, capital receipts, sale of assets. By selling of assets, non-trading organization will get the income from the selling of assets. By donations, it received from others outside. Legacies means assets. Life membership fee. With life membership fee, amount will come to the non-trading organization. Entrance fee should be recorded. Revenue receipts, subscriptions, interest, income from sports, miscellaneous means other receipts. Whereas capital payments, purchase of assets, loans and advances, salaries, rents, interest, periodicals, honorarium, balance carried on, closing balance. Cash in hand, cash at bank. See here, one example is here. Karvali Club is started on January 1st, 1999. During the year ending 31st December 1999, its receipts and payments are as under. Okay, so see here, what are the receipts are there? Subscriptions, How much? Rupees 5,000. Donations 2,250. Investments 1,500. Rent 900. Printing and stationery 250. Salary 1,000. Postage 80. Sundries 300. With this, we have to prepare receipts and payments account. On 31st December 1999, bank balance was rupees 2,000. Find out the cash balance by preparing receipts and payments account for the year 1999. So see here, this is a solution. Receipts and payments account for the year ending 31st December 31/12/1999. Debit side receipts and credit side payments. Okay. Two subscriptions 5,000. Two is a keyword compulsory. We have to use the keyword in the debit side. Receipt side compulsory we use the word buy in the credit side. Two donations 2,250. Coming to credit side, buy investments 1,500. Buy rent 900. Buy printing and stationery 250. Buy salary 1,000. Buy postage 80. Buy sundries 300. Buy cash in hand 3,220. So cash at bank is 2,000. Remaining cash in hand 3,220 and 2,000 is the bank balance. Okay. See here assignment. A club has on 31st December 2002 had the following receipts and payments account. Receipts, subscriptions rupees 3,300. Donations 260. Payments, investments 1,000. Rent 400. General expenses 210. Postage and stationery 70. Sundries 30. With these transactions, with these items, we have to prepare receipts and payments account for the year ending 31st December 2002 and find the closing balance. Answer is 1850. See here, receipts and payments account of Sports Club 1976. Cash in hand 1/1/1976 means its opening balance. Cash at bank 1/1/1976 opening balance of bank. Investments purchased payment 10,000. Subscription okay 1976 15,300. Subscriptions for year 1978 not received. Entrance fee 500. Sale of furniture 600. Action of old bills 300. Subscriptions outstanding on 1/1/1976 all collected 400. Interest accrued on investment 100. Salaries paid 4,000. Salaries unpaid 400. Problem is continued. Expenses for 1976 3,900. Expenses will payable for 1976 300. Prepaid expense on 31/12/1776 150. Expenses outstanding on 1/1/76 paid during 76 400. Sports equipment purchased 600. Depreciation 2,500. Cash in hand 80. With these items we have to prepare the receipts and payments account. Okay. Next one is here. Prepare receipts and payments account of Madras Music Academy for the year ended 31st and December 1971 Subscriptions received 4,000. Subscriptions received 4,000. It should be recorded in receipt side, in receipt side payment side. Interest on investments, it is also income. So it should be recorded on receipt side. Payments, stationery, it should be recorded on payment side, credit side. Petty expenses, 50, credit side. Outstanding creditors of last year paid, 500. General expenses, 300. Music instruments purchased, 600. Entertainment expenses, 500. Annual day dinner, 1000. Salaries, 250. Rent, 500. These are the items. And for these items, some adjustments are given below. Outstanding amount on 31st December 1971, salaries rupees 50, rent rupees 50, subscriptions rupees 600, closing balance total rupees 1300. Okay. Prepare receipts and payments account of Rangam Club for the year ending 31st December 1972. Cash on 1/1/1972, rupees 600. Receipt side opening balance of Rangam Club. Subscriptions arrears 24, current 1268 and advance 48. Total is 30 and 38 should be recorded. Profit from canteen receipts, miscellaneous receipts 45 will be recorded in credit receipt side. Sale of old newspaper, debit side. Dividends, this income or profit to our organization, should be recorded in debit side. Payments, salary should be recorded credit side. Stationery, record in credit side 240. Rent and taxes 360, credit side recorded. Telephone should be recorded in credit side 60 rupees. Investments 750 rupees recorded in credit side. Advertisement 105 should be recorded. Postage 100 is recorded on credit side. Sundries credit side. Closing balance credit side. Total 270. Like that, you have to prepare the above problems, solve the above problems. Summary: in receipts and payments account, all the incomes, revenue and capital receipts are posted on debit side. All the revenue receipts are posted in revenue and capital receipts are posted in debit side, irrespective of the year, to which year it belongs. If the opening balance is given, it should be shown on the debit side at the beginning. At the beginning. All the expenses, revenue and capital expenses are posted on credit side. Irrespective of the year, all revenue payments and capital payments or capital expenditure, revenue expenditure is posted on credit side of receipts and payments account, that is payment side. Belongs to last year, current year, next year. The balance is closing balance. If the closing bank balance is given, it is posted on the credit side of receipts and payments account. See here, receipts and payments account is similar to, already we discussed it in previous sessions, whether it is A, cash book, B, subsidiary book, C, sales ledger, D, none of the above. A is the correct answer. Why? Because all transactions recorded in cash book, irrespective of the year, only cash transaction should be recorded in cash account. It follows the real account rule, whereas receipts and payments account also follows the real account rule, means debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Okay. Receipts are entered on debit side and payments are entered on A, credit side, B, debit side, C, both sides, D, none of the above. Only receipts and in receipts and payments we have only two columns. One is debit side. Already they mentioned that debit side is already reserved for receipts, and remaining credit side is empty. Means the answer is credit side. Means A is the right answer. So frequently asked here questions are listed here. Prepare receipts and payments account of Lucky Club for the year ending 31/12/77. Receipts balance on 1/1/77 means it is the opening balance 745. Subscriptions 6,800. Entrance fees 260. Interest 420. Proceeds from lectures 2,590. Payments upkeep of grounds 4,750. Wages of ground men 4,680. Ground rent 105. Printing 465. Postage 95. Balance on 31/12/77 is a closing balance. With this transaction you have to prepare receipts and payments account. Okay. See here once again the pro forma. Receipts and payments account records all cash transactions that have already we know, irrespective of the cash transactions are recorded. There are two columns, four columns. One is receipt side, amount column. Second side means credit side. Third column, payments column and amount column. To balance brought down opening balance, cash in hand, cash at bank, capital receipts, sale of assets, donations, legacies, life membership fee, entrance fee. These are the capital receipts. Revenue receipts, subscriptions, interest, income from sports, miscellaneous receipts. Coming to credit side, payment side, capital items, capital payments, purchase of assets, loans and advances, salaries, rents, interest, periodicals, honorarium. These are the revenue payments. And closing balances, see here, cash in hand, cash at bank. Okay. With this pro forma, you can prepare any type of transactions. You can solve the any problem. Okay, thank you.